Samsung Odyssey G7 series 32-inch WQHD gaming monitor with 240Hz refresh rate, curved 1ms response time, HDMI, G-Synchronize and Free Synchronize Premium Pro. Screen size is 31.5 inches. Display resolution maximum 2560 by 1440 pixels. Special features are dynamic range, curve, refresh rate 120Hz, unmatched immersion. Get your head in the game with Odyssey 1000R panel, which matches curvature of the human eye for maximum immersion and minimal eye strain. WQHD resolution make your gaming world more lifelike than ever before. Pick in 1.7 times the pixel density of Full HD. WQHD resolution boasts incredible detail, pin-sharp images. Infinity Core Lightning. Odyssey Infinity Core is a striking addition to any desktop, matching world first in technology with stunning visual design. Rapid 240Hz refresh rate. Topping leaders board never looked or felt as smooth. With Odyssey Rapid 240Hz refresh rate, you have up to 4 times as many frame displays on screen every second compared to a traditional screen. Lightning fast 1ms response time, a fraction of a second can be difference between your destructions or your enemies with Odyssey Grey to Grey. 1ms response time, you can be sure that you are receiving information as fast as technologically possible. NVIDIA G-Synchronize and Free Synchronize Premium. Cutting edge QLED technology. Utilizing quantum dot technology, Samsung QLED creates more vivid colors with 125% more color space compared to sRGB, ensuring the highest class of color reproductions.